Hey guys, and welcome to the video. So I've got a quick recipe for you today, a beef stir fry, just a quick example of how you can chuck a load of stuff together and make a quick and easy fat loss meal. So let's get into the video. Right, so 5 grams of coconut oil into a good non-stick wok and heat onto high. You can use any kind of oil really. Olive oil, coconut oil, sesame, avocado oil, anything goes really. Just let that melt, takes a couple of minutes, and just move it around the wok. So red onion in, and some garlic as well. So my meat, I've pre-chopped it and marinated it in soy sauce and some balsamic vinegar. So I've left that for around half an hour beforehand. You don't need to do this, but it just gives it a bit of extra flavour. So you can see now the meat in, I throw it in rather than tipping it because I don't want the marinade to go in. You can see it's starting to steam already from the liquid a bit. So we're just going to fry that quickly. I'm using quite high quality beef, so I don't want to fry it too much. And you can see that steam coming off from the liquid marinade. So just move it around the wok, waiting for it to brown a bit. And then next, just some ginger in. Just to give it some nice flavour. And then you're going in with some courgettes, or zucchini for you Americans, 150 grams. I've cut that nice and thin so it cooks evenly. And then pepper, or I think it's capsicum for you Americans, 150 grams as well. So just mix that around, just to get it all mixed in, heating evenly. So my broccoli and carrots, which are coming next, I've cooked in the microwave quickly for about 5 minutes to soften them up. They're harder vegetables, so you can see they are quite soft now, so they'll cook evenly and not be hard once the stir fry is done. Because stir fries are very quick to cook and sometimes things can stay hard otherwise. So just mix that around, make sure everything is mixed in. So next, I'm just going to cut up a spring onion. These are just random vegetables I had, you can choose anything really, anything goes. So the recipe comes to around 500 calories. Put that in. A lot of the calories come from the fat in the meat as well, because beef is quite fatty, so you could easily substitute that for chicken if you wanted fewer calories. And obviously I've got a lot of vegetables here, you can reduce those as well if you don't eat as much as me. So next I'm just going to throw in some chili flakes to give it a kick and some nice flavour. So just sprinkle those in. Don't go too much because they can give it quite a big kick. So stirring that round, cooking it for a couple of minutes. And I just poured in the marinade that I had left over. You don't need to do that, but I just wanted a bit of extra liquid in there. Now I'm going to go in with some spinach now. I like adding spinach to stir fries at the end, just to give it a bit of extra bulk, vitamins and minerals, and releases a bit of water, so it adds a kind of bit of sauce to it. And then we're done. So into the bowl, looks amazing, nice and hot, nice and tasty. Get it all in there. You can see it's a lot of food, so very filling. Now just put a bit of pepper on top to give it a nice little bit of seasoning. We put salt in already with the soy sauce, so we don't need to add salt, and voila. So I hope you enjoyed that recipe guys. As always, like, comment and share, and I'll see you in the next video.